how to use flexible dates for kayak flight search. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to use flexible dates to find the best flights with the best price options? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up any browser and head over to kayak.com and then just choose your from and to destination. So once you have chosen your destination, you can see the dates. So now to choose flexible dates, you can go to the departure drop down. So you can see plus a day after, a day before, plus minus 1 day, plus minus 2 days. So you can choose a date and then you can use the drop down to put in more flexible dates. You can do the same for return and then now choose the number of adults, the number of children, youths, choose the cabin class and then just hit search. Now you can see a calendar like thing open up. Now here you can see various price option that you can choose from. So choose the one of your choice, just tap on it and then you can book the flights with the best price. So it's as simple as that to use the flexible dates for kayak flight search. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.